Hey guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. I hope everybody's having a great, wonderful day today. I'm back, guys. Today, I'm here to give you guys an update. I always try to keep my subscribers updated on everything, so this is nothing different. However, today, I'm here to talk about Easy Profit 100. They have closed their doors, okay? For whatever reason, I don't know. That's how business rolls, okay? Sometimes even in corporate America, companies close down. We know that, right? This is no different. It happens online as well. But what I want everybody to focus on is not the negative on, what happened. I've been getting a lot of emails and text messages. That's why I decided I need to go ahead and put this video out here. I have no idea why, okay? I was told it was shutting down. That's what it is. But guess what? Nothing stops over here. Nothing stops with you. Guess what? You keep it moving, guys. You're unstoppable. Okay? So don't focus on the whys, the hows. Let's just go forward. Okay? But the point of the matter is I wanted to inform you guys, for the people that wasn't aware. Okay? And I have a lot of videos out there. So, of course, I have to address it. So this is the email that everybody's received. Okay? So, as you can see, dated January 4th, it will no longer be an active program. Okay? So, now, what everybody's emailing and texting me on is, what do I do now? I don't know what to do. What am I going to do? Guys, first of all, I always get people to say, well, you have so many programs. Okay? This is one reason why. Because you just never know when companies may shut down. That's just a part of business in corporate America and online. No different than a job, okay? You go to work, they say, hey, you laid off. Guess what? You immediately go into survival mode. So you're like, oh, what am I going to do next? You go get another job, right? Okay. So we have other opportunities. I have several things that you guys can look at. But this is what I'm pointing everyone to right now. Okay? And it's going to be Instant Cash Solution. Okay? You know, I've been talking about this a while, and it's a great price point. That's what I loved about the Easy Profit business. It was something simple, and the price point is affordable for the masses. It was only $149 to get started. So with this, we have several levels. Okay? We have several levels with Instant Cash Solutions, and you can get started here as well. Okay? For a low startup cost. So let me go down. I'm going to show you that. So we're not going to focus on what happened and, all these other things. Let's go forward. It's the beginning of the year. You can get started right here. Okay? So there's nothing stopping anything. Okay? So we have other options. Now, here's the levels of Instant Cash Solution. Okay? So if you still want to come in at a low entry point, we have the bronze level, $100 plus $29. You can get started. $129. Of course, I would recommend to go high as you can, guys, because if you come in at a lower level and someone does join at the higher levels, you'll lose that sale. Okay? But for the folks that's, saying, hey, I was just getting ready to get started. For the $149, that was a good price point for me. Well, here you go. $129. How about that? Take the other money, the difference, and get you a roll of stamps and start mailing. Now, I have put together, I did a video a couple weeks ago, I think, and we have a color postcard in color, full color, front and back, and then I recently created a black and white postcard. I have a couple templates. I'm just going to show you an example of one. So I'm giving you options. So you can do full color, which is going to cost you a little bit more money, but they really pop. Okay, so maybe for 1,000 postcards in color is going to be right under $100. Okay, then you can get your black and white ones, which will come in different colors. You can do white, yellow, green, whatever color you want. You can get 1,000 of those for $60. Okay, and it'll just be one-sided. But nothing stops. That's what I want you guys to understand. Just because there was a roadblock, guess what? You detour and you go around. There's always a workaround. So don't get hung up on, this is what happened, what am I going to do? You're going to go forward. That's what you're going to do. You're not going to look in the rearview mirror. Okay? So that's what we're going to focus on. Okay? Now, Pick one of these levels and get started, but you can come in as low as $129. So that's what I want you to see. And you can see to the left everything you get. So you can work this business and you can mail out postcards. Okay? And with this, you can get paid instantly. Okay? We don't have to wait on a weekly check. Okay? Get paid instantly. When someone joins you, you're going to get paid instantly. We have various ways you can receive your money. You can go through Stripe. I don't recommend PayPal anymore. No more PayPal, because you don't want to be blocked. So you can do Stripe. All this is in your back office. We have authorized.net. There's several, okay? So don't worry about that, but it'll be instant pay, okay? So I'm just going to go down, and I'm going to show you the postcard I created, okay? I have two options for you, color or black and white, okay? And remember, with this one, you're going to have a back office, which is what we're used to having, right? You have a back office so you can track your sales. That's what you want to do. Track your sales, track your leads. You have capture pages. Okay, you have a full turnkey system. Okay, the only difference is it's not a full direct mail program, which means if somebody gets your card in the mail and they don't have internet, they won't be able to sign up, because you're going to have internet to do this, because you've got to set up your profile. At the least, your profile and your payment method. Okay. So they got to have a computer or access to a computer. That's the difference. And there's no packet or anything to be mailed out. Okay, everything is online. Okay, so that's the great thing. Everything is online. There's nothing to be mailed out. So that's the focus we're going to have. Now, for my people, if you're interested in higher commissions in direct mail only, then Postcard Tycoon would be the way to go. I'm going to put that link below. You can go check it out. But I just wanted to highlight this, because a lot of people were looking at that price point. So I try to keep you guys in that price point, because I know there's some people that's just getting started, and that's a great price point in the $100 range. Okay, but the good thing with this, guys, you can scale up, so you can make way more money over here. Okay, with these 4 levels, because if you come in at the high level, you're going to be able to get paid on all levels. And if someone's not at those levels, those sales will pass up. Okay, so you're still going to make the minimum of $100 if you come in at the 100 level, if someone joins at that level. Remember, if you're not at those other levels, you will lose that sale. But my point is, you still can make $100 commissions over here. Okay, and you get a lot of training. We have weekly training. It's going to kick in starting Monday. Okay, training calls, and they're recorded. So you get a full turnkey system here. So please focus on looking forward and not going backwards, okay? So that's where we're going to go with this, okay? Now, like I said, if you want a higher ticket, Postcard Tycoon would be the way to go with that. But, of course, it costs a little bit more, $300 plus $198 to do that. But if you want to stay in that $100 range, this is where you need to go. Instant Cash Solution is awesome. You know, you got your ad copy. We have all the images if you also want to do marketing online. But for the people that want to mail, here you have it. This is the way to go. Instant Cash Solution. And that's where I'm directing everybody. I've gotten all these emails and text messages because this was sent, I believe, last evening. Okay, so everybody's kind of in a panic mode. But there's no need to panic, guys. We got you covered here. Okay, so let me show you the card I created for this. Hang on one second. Alright, let's go over here. Let me show you this card. Hang on. Alright, now this is the one that's in black and white. Okay, you can get 1,000 of these printed up for $60. Okay, now this is an example. Okay, I just want to explain that to you. So these aren't real numbers and things, but this is the black and white one. Okay, now what will happen is we have a pre-recorded number for ICS, for Instant Cash Solution. So all you're going to do is get your 800 link number, okay, or your Press 1 Cash number, either one. I'll put the link below for that too. Put your number in here. That pre-recorded message will, when they call it, they'll hear the pre-recorded message. To get started, you'll have a website, because with this program you have a website, you have a back office, you have everything you need. And then this is what we'll say on the card. I have a few templates. This is just one, okay? But I want to give you an example of you can use the postcard to do this business, okay? Okay, now let me show you the one in color, and you can get this in different colors. Okay, $60 for 1,000 of these. Okay, so let me show you the other one. Okay, guys, this is the one in color. Okay, this is a real nice one. Okay, we have a return address, which would be your address. And then on this one, as you can see, this is the front. This is what they will see when they get it out of the mail. This is very, very nice. It was customized, okay? So you can get this one. You can get like 1,000 for a little under 100, okay? So we have you covered with the postcard, so don't be worried about that. We got you covered. Okay? So you're good to go, guys. So all you need to do now is I'm going to put the link below for Instant Cash Solution. Go ahead and pick one of these levels you want to get started at. Let me show you those again. Okay. This is an awesome program right here. I really like it because this is great for the average person to get started. The levels are affordable, and you can market this online. But you can use this program to do your postcards. Okay. So this is the alternative that I'm directing you guys to right now. I'm looking at something else that's 100% direct mail, but I want you guys to get started with this right now. This is the way to go. So just don't look back on, on the past. Let's go forward. But I did want to bring that to you guys. And excuse me this morning, I'm a little congested with my sinuses this morning, but I wanted to get this out to you because I was getting a lot of emails and text messages, and everybody knows I've been promoting Easy Profit 100 for 3 years now. But it just shows you too, guys, you can't put all your eggs in one basket. So I even have things that I do that I don't even market online. Okay, other income streams that I have going that has nothing to do with affiliate marketing, but I never put all my eggs in one basket. Okay? And you shouldn't either. It's no different than a job. You never know when companies are going to shut down, so you have to be prepared to move forward, okay? And that's basically what's happening here. No big deal, okay? But I want to bring that to you. Easy Profit 100 is no longer a home-based business. It's not up and running, so I'm directing you guys to get started over here with Instant Cash Solution with me, and I have the postcards for you so you can get started with this, okay? That's your alternative, all right? Now, you can give me a call. Go through the phone. I'm going to put the link below. Give me a call, and I'll be happy to talk to you about this program, but it's a great one. You'll have everything you need to get started over here as well. I want you to go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Go ahead and click that notification bell so you can be notified when I upload new videos as well, okay? But let's move forward. 2019 is going to be a great year, and let's get started, okay? So that's all I've got for you guys today, and I will see you on the inside. You guys have a blessed day.